Please give a big round of applause for Kamel Hughes. Par nos gros bravo pour Kamel Hughes. Montrez comment nous apprécions mon café mon bagaille en faveur haïtienne. Thank you so very much.
Look at all of my people. Bonsoir. I love AP. I don't think you heard it. I love AP. You know what? 10 years ago, I had a dream that I was walking down the streets of Port-au-Prince, and I had never been to Port-au-Prince. And I went to my boss and I said, I want to go to Haiti. And he told me no. And I went back a second time. And he told me no. And I told my wife, and I said, honey, I'm going to try a third time. And she said, you should try one more time. And that third time, he said yes. And it changed my life forever. So, I didn't help Haiti. Haiti helped me. So thank you, and I want to show you the person who told me to keep going when I said I was going to give up. Come on, honey, come on out. Give my wife a big round of applause. Come on out. Come on out. My lovely wife. Some of you men are clapping too hard. I see. You better stop that. This is my wife. My only wife. Thank you guys so much. Merci beaucoup. I'll support you every step of the way, and I know Haiti is open for business. I'll be there. I've been with you through the tough times. I'll keep staying with you. Stay with me. Thank you for the support. Merci beaucoup. I love you. I love you.